it's Miss Christine. Do you want to have some fun? Let's open this Amazon mystery box together. Sorry guys, this outfit was just giving. It was giving. If you know that reference, then you know. If you're hanging out with kids that are less than 5 years old, you know. Anyway, I'm Christine from Resellables. I open these Amazon mystery boxes. We sell them at our store. Pause to read. This is everything you need to know about an Amazon mystery box. I open them so that you can see what's in them, so you can see what you could possibly get. They're packed by Amazon. I don't know what's in it. You know what's in it. You get what you get and you don't get upset. And box starts with B. Can you say B? All right. Here we go, friends. What do we have here? First and foremost, some collagen. I probably need some collagen. It's boosting superfoods. We have 2 packages of collagen. Next up, how about, these are the little pets. My mom called them pets. Are they called, my mom always called them pets. The little socks that you put in your shoe when you don't want them to show. We have a couple of pairs. Is this them too? These almost look like, I don't know. They look like they have a sole on them, but maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Okay, and then, would it be an Amazon mystery box without a cell phone accessory? The answer to that is no. Can you say no? No. All right, next up. What are these? Look at these little baubles. They look like pen caps. I'm sure they're not pen caps, but they look like pen caps. I don't know what they're for. But we have 3 packages of those. All right, a little bit more collagen. Oh, there's even more. We've got collagen. Tell you what, you need collagen? I'm your girl. We've got collagen for days in this box. All right. Hey, these boxes are fun. You want to have fun with your friends, you don't know what to do? Schedule a little date night, get yourself a bottle of wine, open a box. It's fun. Even the naysayers, the ones that are like, I don't get it. Why would I need a box of stuff that I don't need? Open a box around them. They'll be the first one digging around in your box. Guaranteed, friends. All right, fashion. We've got some fashion. It's got a funny little zip tie on it. Like a little pincher. Let's see what we have here. This is a gray tank top with what? Oh, it's Disney. This is some kind of Disney situation. Some kind of Disney gray tank top. Super cute. And perfect for Florida because it's hot down there. Oh, speaking of Disney. Wow. Well, friends. I have to put it, I've already got this. I don't know. Look at these tiaras. If you don't know somebody, I know adults that wear tiaras. Actually, Disney adults wear tiaras. That's a good segue. And kids love tiaras. If you don't know anybody you could give a tiara to, you need to start hanging out with different people. Let me see here. I don't know if I can get, if I can get it to balance, I just can't move my head at all. We have 4 beautiful, look at how pretty this is, tiaras. All right, and then, what's this? Is this also a little bit of fashion? Hey, every box is different. You never know what you're gonna get in it. This little zipper, come on now. Oh, is this one of those ones that I can, gotta use the muscles. All right, this is a beautiful 2-piece dress. Here is the bottom, a beautiful white skirt, and then it's got a peasant top. I think this whole trip is this whole box is telling me to take a trip to Florida. We've got the Disney stuff, we've got the tiaras, we've got the summer wear, and actually, there are several more of those. All right. Ooh, are these gonna be my ruby red slippers that I need for my trip? Let's see. Are they flip-flops? Are they sandals? What is this? Oh, they come with these little things so your feet don't hurt. Let's see. Are we completing the outfit? Wow, look at these. They're like a basket weave situation with a pretty little leather bow on them. I think I'm ready for a trip to Disney, friends. This box is telling me to go to Disney. I don't know what else it could possibly be saying. All right, some more collagen right here. Oh, how about an antifreeze and coolant tester? Have you been wanting to test out your antifreeze and coolant? Great news, I've got you covered. I don't know how it works, but it's got all these little balls in it, and it must do, are they balls? I don't know, they move. And it lets you know if you need the antifreeze and the coolant. Okay, what's next? We've got this, ooh, a little burnt orange, if you may, a little fall color, if you may. This lighting is terrible. I need to do something about the lighting in this room. I have those ring things, but I feel like they're kind of blinding too. I need some type of lighting thing that doesn't blind me and doesn't just top light me and give me crazy shadows. All right. Oh, here we go. What is this? Little burnt orange, long sleeve. Oh, I think I'm it says spooky season. This is cute. Look, it's got little ghosts on the elbows. And you know I like a 3/4 sleeve because then your sleeves don't get dirty when you're doing dishes. All right, but wait, what is next? What do we got here? This is a little Hello Kitty keychain. Actually, I think I'm keeping this too. a Hello Kitty keychain. Look, with a little, I don't know, what do you call it, like a snow globe? Donut snow globe on it. I need this because we had about several feet of snow the other day, and we went to go open the shed to get the snow blower out to do all the walkways and all the things, and the keys to the shed were in my daughter's jacket at her school. That's right, friends. So I'm going to put it on this huge keychain now, so there's no way it can mistakenly be left in your jacket. Follow me for more parenting tips. All right, next up. I don't know. What is this? It says thank you. Well, you're welcome. You're welcome already. I don't even know what you're thanking me for. Hey, do you guys ever notice that there's like certain shows that have been on television like your entire life? Fourth Wing. Zayden. If you know, you know. Put in the comments if you know. You know. You know. You know. Yes. We have 2 of those. I like, or are there more? Or are there more? Oh, there are more. I wonder if they're all different. I don't know. Maybe. I don't want to open them all right now, but if you know, you know. I was talking about the TV. You ever notice that there's been shows that have been on TV your whole entire life? Like specifically Family Feud, right? Family Feud's been on TV my whole entire life. It seems like every time I turn on the TV, it's on. It doesn't matter. And then it shows me little shorts of it on all the socials and all this kind of stuff, right? Like, it's never been like my favorite show in the whole world, but it's like one of those shows you can't get away from. Sometimes you turn it on, it's on there, whatever. Anyway, I am from, we have a little black 3-button shirt. I am from a small town of Cape Cod, right? Nowhere. I know a family that was on Family Feud. I also know somebody that was on The Price is Right. What I don't know is, who are the 100 people that they're asking? Who are the 100? Do you know anybody? Have you ever been asked? The 100 people. 100 people, what would 100 people say that a dentist is his favorite tool? Or, whatever their question is. Who are the 100 people? Do you know the 100 people? Have you ever met any of these? Are cute. Look, little neon jogging shorts. Have you met any of the 100 people? Have you been, more of those little shoes, one of the 100 people? Zayden. Or have you been on a game show? I want to know. Because they've never asked me. Because some of the answers they say, I would never, ever, ever come up with. So who are these 100 people? I don't know anybody, and I know a lot of people. I don't know anybody that was one of the 100 people. Another cell phone case? So tell me if you've been it. Another collagen? All right. Is this that same black shirt that I just see? I was off chit-chatting on a tangent. Is this the same shirt? Is this the one I just opened? Did it have this? Oh my goodness. Yes, it had the stripes. All right, so we have several more of those shirts. Say, Christine, stay on track. We're trying to watch Open a Box here. Nobody wants to listen to you talk about Family Feud. Seriously, if you've been on a game show, or you know anybody, or you've been one of the people that answered 100 questions, let me know. Because I want to be on the list. Ask me. Because I wouldn't come up with any of that stuff. How's anybody supposed to guess? All right, here we go. We have some fashion. We're almost done, guys. We have 2 more things in the box, guys. All right, this, I don't know. What is this? It's size large. What? Oh, it's a dress. Somebody wants me to go to Florida. Somebody wants me to get out of this freeze. Oh, it's a jumper. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I would wear this. I love overalls. As you can tell, I love overalls. Do you love overalls? Say overalls. Yeah, I think that the universe wants me to book a trip. It's time for me to go. I need to get away from here. All right, we have 2 things left in the box, but we have multiples. 3 of these. So let's see what this is. What do we have 3 of? Let's look. Oh no, where's my cup? Here we go. Also, you know my little pink cloud cutter that I use? I can't find it. It's on a lanyard. It's at the store. I can't find it. I don't understand what I could have possibly done with it. It's missing. All right, we have 3 of these, some type of folio. Is this for the iPad? Let's take a look. There's tons of stuff in this box. Hey, these boxes sell for $55 each in our store and online at Resellables, MA, like Massachusetts, MA.com. Make sure you type in, it doesn't have like the little hooker doodle things to hold an iPad. I don't know what this is for. I don't know, some kind of folio of some sort. All right, friends. And the final thing in this Amazon mystery box is, drumroll please, whatever's in this package right here. Whatever this is. We have 2 of them. Look, here's the other one. Let's take a look-see. All right. Is this worth the wait? What is this? Are these? The universe wants me to go on a trip. The universe, look at this. This is like my book a vacation box. These are like, well, they're white ones. And then, what is this? Oh, wait, this is stop it. These are little hooks that are seahorses. This is the little sticker doodle to get them to stick to the wall. How cute. Look at these little seahorse hooks. I love them. There's a ton of them in here. What is this about? Price 6 of them? So I'm keeping those. Keeping it. I have 12 of those because I had 2 packages. And that, my friends, was everything that was in this Amazon mystery box. If you want your own box, come on down to Bellingham or order online at Oh, I forgot to wear my earrings. I forgot to wear my earrings. Hey, Mo made the earrings. We're selling the earrings now. You can buy the earrings now, but I forgot to wear them. But anyway, come on down to the store, order online. See you soon.